Hey guys, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Maui Gym Stillwater. So first off, we're going to try on these sunglasses and we're going to talk about the dimensions of these sunglasses. So they have 52mm lenses and they also have a 20mm bridge. What's most unique about this pair of sunglasses is the fact that it is actually a folding pair of sunglasses. So I'm going to demonstrate that right here. There's actually going to be 6 all-metal hinges on this pair of sunglasses, which feel very premium when opening up and when closing them. And now if we fold in the bridge here, we can really see how nice and compact this form factor is going to be. These sunglasses come in a nice Pocketbook case by Maui Gym, so you can put them in that case and then easily just slide it right into your pocket. The build quality of these sunglasses is absolutely fantastic, and these sunglasses have absolutely beautiful etching through the entire metal frames. And moving down the temple to the ear rests, these sunglasses have very nice and comfortable ear rests. When first looking at these acetate ear rests, they look gray, but if you put them up to the light, you can see they're really an aqua color and they look just absolutely beautiful. These sunglasses are made in Italy, and they're going to say that here in the inner right temple of the sunglasses. They're going to say 100% made in Italy. As far as weight goes, surprisingly enough, these sunglasses really aren't that heavy at all, even though they have all metal frames and they also have all glass lenses. These sunglasses have Maui Gym's super thin glass, and super thin glass is Maui Gym's most crisp optics. As far as looks go, I think these sunglasses look really good on face. They kind of remind me of a pair of Ray-Ban Clubmasters if they were made from an all-metal material. Like all Maui Gym sunglasses, of course, these sunglasses are going to have a Maui Gym logo here in the top right corner of the lens. As far as coverage go, these sunglasses have just about as good coverage as a pair of Ray-Ban Clubmasters. There's going to be pretty big gaps to let sunlight in up top. And again, on the side, there's really pretty big gaps that are going to allow sunlight to come in. These sunglasses are made more for looks than really practicality. That being said, of course, the lenses are absolutely sharp and they of course do have all polarized lenses. And I really don't feel too much discomfort when wearing these sunglasses for long periods of time. If you are driving in the car for a long time and the sun is setting and it's kind of coming in through this angle, they're definitely not going to be ideal for that environment. But other than that, they are definitely a great pair of sunglasses. They have really nice, fully adjustable nose rests, which are a little bit sticky, which is going to help these sunglasses stick to the face. And like I said, they are fully adjustable, so you can adjust them to your liking. Alright, so to give you an example between these sunglasses and a pair of Ray-Ban Clubmasters, I'm going to pop these Ray-Ban Clubmasters on, and as you guys can see, they kind of look the exact same on face, but I personally believe that Maui Gyms have more crisper lenses than Ray-Ban sunglasses. As far as pricing goes, these are one of Maui Gym's most expensive sunglasses, coming in at around $329. I have seen these on Amazon for around $280, so I will leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to check these sunglasses out on Amazon to save you a little bit off that MSRP. Overall, I think this is an absolutely fantastic pair of sunglasses, and if you can pick them up for anything less than $300, I think they're definitely worth it. But that's all I got for you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below, and of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then be notified every single time I put a brand new video just like this one. But again, that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.